Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I am glad you're here. Today we've got a quick unboxing. It's a really cool unboxing, I think. It'll be a first for me unboxing from DLT Trading Company. And we're about to get into it. But the first thing I want to do real quickly is thank the channel members. I thank each and every one of you for supporting the channel. Appreciate you all. And I want to thank any of you who come by and watch the content. It means more to me than you know. If you're so inclined and you like the content and you haven't had a chance yet, please hit that subscribe button down below and that bell notification icon. It would really help the channel out. So what I'm going to do is break out the titanium utility knife that I picked up at Amazon that I'm still kind of giving my 2 cents worth on. But so far, I like it. I have not put in a regular screw, like a pocket screw or a pocket clip screw, to keep that wheel from moving, because that wheel does loosen up over time. But it is a great little flipper knife. All right, let's see what we got here. $10 gift card. Knife October sticker. And my receipt. So, this is something I have never unboxed, never owned, never thought about until now. So guys, yes, it is a Microtech. Never compromise. Welcome to the Microtech family. Micro 169RL, whatever that means. So let's just look at it. Microtech swag. Caution sharp edge. And yes, I bought a stitch, guys. I bought an updated stitch. God, this thing's heavy. This is a stitch that's in G10. I don't know if you can see that texture G10. It's got the Ram-Lok. It has got an M390 MK blade, which is a proprietary Microtech blade steel, if I'm not mistaken. Guys, I'm really, after that first flick, kind of stoked because I wasn't expecting it to feel like that. I love and always have loved the look of this blade. And I can tell you this, it is sharp as fuck. Look at that. And that's not the thinnest behind the edge blade. Stonewashed blade. Nice heavy back spacer. Nice Ram-Lok there. Guys, I don't know what. Now, the MSI that I reviewed from my buddy A to Z EDC, it had these sharp, it was FRM, but it had this sharp texturing down here, which this one doesn't have. I can feel the clip, which is reversible, but that doesn't bother me because, guys, let's face it, this is a get things done knife and protect your Slurpee at all costs knife. This is a very aggressive knife, but look how easy it deploys. Got no lock stick. I'm horizontal. Failed it there because I'm trying to get my arm at an angle. I'll just do it this way. Got it in my shirt. Thumb flicks. Middle finger flicks. super sharp, has a fantastic choil, great jimping in that poon. Guys, I'm in love with this knife, and I'm amazed at the cost. This is a made in America knife. I picked it up at DLT. Let me get my invoice out. I paid for the quickie shipping, not the crazy quickie shipping, but this knife was $300. $300 in G10 from DLT. And guys, for a made in America knife that feels like this as heavy as this, I can only say I think that's a bargain. Now, this is a first impressions unboxing. I haven't lived with this knife. 6.6 ounces. It feels like a premium knife. It cuts like a premium knife. And the action is stellar. If I could give one little gripe, one thing that I wish, and my finger doesn't go through the hole. See, I can't slide it through, but I can get it all up in there. The only thing objectively that I could say is it would be nice if this hole was just a little narrower, but it's not problematic at all. My finger does not go through it, so I don't get the hot dog down the hallway. I've got to get used to reaching those Ram-Lok. But yeah, guys, that is a simple unboxing, first impressions of the Microtech Stitch. And I can tell you, my first impressions are as bad as ass. And let's see how the pocket clip works. Pocket clip is a mad win, goes in and out of pocket effortlessly. It's a big full-size knife with just a banging choil. I love that Stonewashed blade with that satin in the center. I guess that's a Borka blade logo, and you got the Microtech logo. But guys, this feels like titanium, even though I think it's G10. Stitch, Ram-Lok, fluted, Stonewashed standard. I don't know. Let's see what it says on the invoice, because it does not feel like G10. Microtech, 10 stitch, blah blah blah. Promo DLT exclusive. I do not know. Let's see if it shows us in here. I doubt it will. It doesn't matter. It's either a really hard G10 or it's aluminum or titanium. And I can't imagine for 300 bucks it being titanium. But again, first Microtech in my collection. I'm absolutely blown away, stoked. Guys, look forward to doing a review and letting you know what I think about it. I love you all. Thanks for stopping by. I'll upload this real shortly, so if you'd like to subscribe, you'll always be notified when I do crazy shit like upload stuff without being on schedule. Guys, I love you. Please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for that guy or gal to your right. Look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Thank you again. Peace.